Here's some Green Man symbol trivia. Subscribe. What type of figure features foliage on face? Is it A, Green Man, B, Forest Sprite, C, Leaf Mask, or D, Tree Spirit? The correct answer is A, Green Man. Which culture often depicts the Green Man? Is it A, Greek, B, Norse, C, Celtic, or D, Roman? The correct answer is C, Celtic. Which region is particularly known for Green Man carvings? Is it A, Europe, B, Asia, C, South America, or D, Africa? The correct answer is A, Europe. In which month is the Green Man often celebrated? Is it A, May, B, June, C, September, or D, April? The correct answer is A, May. During what historical period were Green Man figures popular? Is it A, Enlightenment, B, Ancient Roman Era, C, Renaissance, or D, Middle Ages? The correct answer is D, Middle Ages. What type of art often incorporates the Green Man? Is it A, Impressionism, B, Abstract Expressionism, C, Pop art, or D, Religious art? The correct answer is D, Religious art. Name the season associated with the Green Man's symbolism. Is it A, summer, B, spring, C, winter, or D, autumn? The correct answer is B, spring. Which historical era revived the interest in the Green Man? Is it A, Middle Ages, B, Renaissance, C, Industrial Revolution, or D, Enlightenment? The correct answer is B, Renaissance. What physical characteristics are often exaggerated in Green Man images? Is it A, limb length, B, tree rings, C, hair color, or D, facial features? The correct answer is D, facial features. What is the Green Man's connection to trees and plants? Is it A, nature's artist, B, plant scientist, C, tree climber, or D, guardian? The correct answer is D, guardian. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.